Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button. Juanm-tech-trade.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic Python project you can easily work with. So hello, I'm John. So in this video I'm going to show you how to encode your QR code in Python. Please hit the like button and subscribe. So let's go. Basically what we're doing here is encoding a QR code in Python. So the first thing we're supposed to do is to install the Python library. So we install the PI install QR code. I have that already. That's why it's showing me requirement already satisfied. So what you do, you install that, make sure your internet connection is working properly. So after that, next thing to do is for us to import the Python library. So we say import QR code. So after importing that, the next step for us to do is to assign a variable called data. So this data will hold the data we want to decode or scan. So yeah, you can edit yours or modify yours to what you want. But yeah, I'll put hi, I'm John, please subscribe. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is we encode this data we just assigned to the QR code. So we assign a variable called image. So we pass the command QR code dot make, and we pass it into the data. So this QR code dot make, we produce the QR code. So after that, we save it as an image so we can easily see it. So QR code or save. So we'll put it in the directory where we want to save it. So yeah, this is the directory I'll be saving it to it. In my file now, I click my video. No, not yet. Okay, yes. I click my video. I've already run this program, so I'll delete this one. It's empty now. So I close it. I copy. Yeah, I'm gonna copy the directory so I can paste it on the code. So I close it. Then I go back to the image.save. So I copy the directory there. So I name it. I name the image file as first QR code.png. So you have to use your forward slash since you're accessing a directory. So you have to use your forward slash. Don't forget to use your forward slash. If not, you'll be getting an error. See, the folder is already empty. So I run this program. Then I go back to the folder. I go back. Yeah, there you have it. First QR code. As simple as that. Just with these few lines of code, you can produce yours. So when we decode it, we get the string we type into the data, we store into the data when we decode it. So thank you for watching.